says the umpire. In the air, straight down the throat of that man at point. First ball wicket here at the Greenfield International Stadium in Trivandrum.
Thrown it away. That was short and wide. You can call that a loosener. He just spoons it to the fielder at backward point. Lazy shot. Very casual in getting there. And a straightforward catch to the fielder at backward point. Much better this time in the gap. That's a very good looking shot from Abhishek Pratap. That'll race away for a 4. First boundary for the Southpaw and the Titans. Fuller straight to the fielder at covers. What a catch. Brilliantly done, and Abdul strikes in his first over. Abhishek has to depart, and the Titans have lost 2 in quick time. What a start here for the Royals.
Look at that, it was so far away from him, tossed up, didn't bend into the shot, just stood there and played through the line. He looked completely shocked. That'll be 4. Brilliant hit. It was there to be accepted gleefully by Imran. End of the over. 3 down, 13 for 2.
Charges down the pitch, and this time races away for 4 as well. A much needed boundary for the Titans, and it comes off the bat of Imran.
It's a very fine cheeky shot there. Long chase of the fielder in the end, getting the boundary that he wants here, Varun.
That won't be easy. Always the risk of being bowled or LBW out. On this occasion, it will be a 4, and it's off the bat of Imran. Goes onside on this occasion and strikes it really hard.
Look good so far, very positive. Oh, that's taken. The ball just gripping, playing away from the body there. And Joe Finney strikes.
Titans, it is Imran who has to go, and thanks to this, just trying to clear that infield, but straight to the fielder there. It's Riyad Bashir who makes no mistake. And this is Vishnu Vinod with a statement. Bang on, look at that. Look at that for a shot. Look at that for getting off the mark. Does that in some style.
Lovely strike. Just see how tall he gets into that shot. Gives his all there, playing with the turn as well. He's got the power, he's got the timing. Vishnu Vinod, and opens his account in style. That's gone some distance to the stands there.
Oh, once again, one-handed effort on this occasion, and he picks the gap beautifully well.
Goes for the reverse, gets some bat on it. That has enough pace to run down for a 4.
It's a mental game. We'll come back to that. In the air, and he's gone. After doing all the work, just when he required to be there, with 6 overs to go, Vishnu Vinod once again throwing it away. He may be disappointed with himself. Please take a look at that one again. But I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous batting.
That's not going to help. Sri Hari Nair had bowled so well without a wicket. That changes now. Smart bit of work from the keeper.
Very nicely bowled as well. Just getting the turning for the face of the blade there, and the keeper doing the rest. Beautifully bowled. He's been economical. He's bowled really well and getting his first wicket here.
Abdul Basit. Big shot attempted. How much bat? Plenty. Excellent shot, Akshay Manohar. Boundaries have been hard to come by. It's only the second 6 of the innings. Much needed.
A few more strikes like this, but this was really very nicely played as well. Take a
big shot attempted, and he's got this right of the middle. Into the Titans dugout she goes.
Going down the ground, picking up the length, bowling in the slot, and just see that bat flow. That's really good. He's got a hold of that one. It's gone some distance. Man in form can do the job once again. High up in the air. That's got to be a 6 as well. The maximum as he's been looking forward to. Akshay Manohar changing his gears and batting pretty well at the moment.
Landed a bit awkwardly. Excellent shot.
Once again playing with the full face of the bat. Just see the length fuller, but he's not playing across the line. With the full face of the bat, really well struck. Abdul Basit there, flying Abdul Basit.
1 of 16 of the last 2 and a bit overs. Opportunity though to break it. Simple cotton bowl by Vinil. Niranjan Dev couldn't really have the same impact as Akshay Manohar at the other end.
Panned out. Just see the bat face is closing in, leading edge. But again, a good catch there. Never easy. Running backwards,
2
backpedaling.
balls to go. Has he got that in the gap? He has. Fine leg was inside the circle. It's not the best delivery from Akin Satar in what's otherwise been a good over. Last ball. Now he's going to try and push. Eden Appleton has to run here. It's not going to happen, but they never really looked like they were going to put any pressure on the field anyway. 129 for 6. Nice breezy little innings from Akshay Manohar. 35 of 21. 1 for 3 sixes. He's at 3 of the 4 sixes.
17 for Imran. Abhishek missed out. Varun Nair, the skipper, coming at number 428. Took his time in this innings. Vishnu Vinod, he was looking good. 25 of 20 for him. Really disciplined bowling. Hari Krishnan got that early wicket. The first ball wicket for him. 1 for 22 for him. Couple of wickets for Abdul Basit. The captain bowled really well once again.
Away.
And off they go, the Royals. In the very first delivery, they get the first runs on the board as well.
They get that gap between. Oh, he almost did that. Played away. Streakily, luckily, will get a boundary.
Here again, just straying down leg, had to get some bat on it. And it's raced away for a 4. The line has to be so important at this stage in the power play. Nidhish started off with a very fine over, just getting a little untidy in this one.
Striker in. Well, the extra delivery will cost them 4 runs. 4 gone, 20 for none.
By Bashir. This one's over mid-off. A couple of bounces, it'll race away for a 4. Back-to-back boundaries across overs, and this has been good start for the Royals.
Not much of a target, so. And just as I say that, looking to make things easy, it's Bashir. A little bit of a width on offer from Mithun PK, but now it's up to the other batters. Sort of give it a go. Swept this one to glory. And no chance there for Monu Krishna. Bashir gets another 4. He started this over really well, Ria Bashir. As well, just one of those overs so far. And a wicket as well. Cleaned him up. What a ball, just straight and completely. It's the settled Ria Bashir who has to go
Slower. Getting that turn, going wide of the crease. So the batsman expected the ball to come in, and then the ball just hitting, pitching and turning a bit. What a delivery.
3. The Royals have just made 40 off raid, and this one will help that. What a shot. It's Subin. He was always looking to go big, and
that's a terrific shot. Going down the ground over the bowler's head. The timing was really good and going all the way as well. Picks up the length beautifully. And that's the safest area to play that shot.
Oh, it's a huge shout. Plays across once again and given. What a comeback from Ishaq. This is as exciting as it can get.
You play across the line and you're paying the penalty as well. And yes, because he went wide of the crease, that was absolutely adjacent, looked absolutely plumb there. The ball would have hit the off and the middle.
A slow ball, but it was short this time, and he had all the time in the world to play that shot. Just that point region. It's a boundary that they very much needed.
Can get wickets. That one getting the inside edge. Lucky runs here. It'll be a chase for the fielders, but they'll have to give it up. And 4 runs coming in out of nowhere for a delivery that actually could have also gone on to hit the stumps. Everything going the Royals' way in his first over. And he's put away. And he's greeted and welcomed by a 4. Square of the wicket. That's a lovely shot. Poor delivery, I must admit. Fuller this time. Picked away and dispatched. MS Akhil is enjoying himself in the middle. And he's taken a liking to Eden Appleton. Quite a few apples there.
Short and wide, and this was Fuller. Thank you very much in his slot. And he's on to that in no time. MS Akhil. Jersey number 7.
You don't want to go with that. Pulled away. 1 bounce into the ropes. That's a fine hit by MS. Isn't he turning it on in the middle?
Take that momentum of winning forward.
Wow. That back leg just lifted, just a flick. All class and style and some power from MS Akhil to bring up the 50 of the partnership.
Waited for it to come on and then generated that power from the wrists. And boy, did he enjoy it. I certainly did. Take a look at that. He was always looking to hit it for 6.
because it's so easy, so much easier to hit the pace than the spin. There's more evidence of it from MS Akhil. He likes that region and he brings up his third six.
And the rest of them were all spinners. That was the off spinner taken and just disdainfully put away. The arrogance, the sheer arrogance in that shot. Bowled the first over, got a wicket in the first over, down the ground, that'll be six as well. Oh, he's really having a ball out here. Dealing it in sixes is Govind and Akhil.
Yeah, suddenly they're in a bit of a hurry now. This time it's Govind Devpai, young man, who just taking from the confidence that's spreading from the other end with authority down the ground.
That suited the spinners, was difficult for them, down the ground, beautifully hit. That's gone all the way as well, so he comes 3 runs closer to 14 legal deliveries. It was in the arc, just got that left foot, cleared it and let it rip. Really nice. Hands through the ball, delivery that ends the game. Oh, what a hit! An absolute stunner, that's gone all the way. And what a way to bring up your 50, and what a way to bring up a win for your team, the Trivandrum Royals. Off well, Bashir and Supin, 22 and 21 respectively, and then 30 not out and 54 undefeated for MS Akhil and Govind. That didn't happen, just 2 wickets for Ishaq. He's been amongst the wickets in the tournament so far. 4 overs, 2 for 17. He's bowled really well.